Namaste children, how are you all? Today we will continue the chapter Security in the Contemporary World. In last video we have discussed about the traditional notion of security, internal and external threats. Now let's begin the topic, traditional security and cooperation. It is usually accepted that war can take place for right reason. Always try to use or path of war for the right reason, primarily for self-defense or to protect other people from genocide. So you can save yourself easily. And traditional views of security gives importance to other form of cooperation. If you want to protect yourself from your rivalry, so you need cooperation also. Like you can use disarmament, arms control and confidence building. So now we will understand the meaning of these terms. What are the meaning of disarmament, arms control and confidence building? So first term is disarmament. It requires all states to give up certain kinds of weapons. Certain kinds of weapons mean those are very dangerous for humanity. Agreement taking place and ban and possession of these types of weapons like BWC, CWC and nuclear weapons. BWC mean Biological Weapons Convention. CWC mean Chemical Weapons Convention. You have already studied these points in your first chapter. So these terms are very important for cooperation or protect yourself from the military threats. Now, second is arms control. Regulates the developments of weapons, dangerous weapons, those harm the humanity. You should try to regulate in these types of weapons. So this is known as arms control. For example, NPT in 1967, CTBT, anti-ballistic missile, SALT 1, SALT 2, START 1 and 2 both. Fine. So these are the treaties signed by the powerful countries for arms control. Next is confidence building. This is a process in which countries share ideas and information with their rivals. For example, you can say sharing security intelligence, etc. So confidence building also important for safeguard threats of military, war, etc. for your rivalry countries. Now the important thing is force is both the principal threat to security and principal means to achieving security in traditional security. Here two important things are here. We are using force against our rival countries for principal threats to security and principal means to achieving security in traditional security, because we are talking about traditional notion of security. Force must only be based when all other alternatives have been failed. Try to use other alternatives for protect yourself from other countries. Now, in my next lecture, we will continue the topic non-traditional notion of security. Thank you.